from all the things that we are going through negatively. And after looking away from all those things, we should what? Look unto Jesus. Amen. You see, even with Simon Peter, he started to what? To sink. He started to sink when his attention was caught by the waves, by the wind that was passing through him. But by the time, brothers and sisters, that his eyes were focused and fixed on Jesus, you see, the story was clearly stated or said in the Gospels that he was able to walk on the water. Amen. Pero hindi naman ito ganito muna. Isa itong magaspang na kahoy na kailangang dumaan sa mga proseso ng sisinsilin, kakayasin, papantayin, hanggang sa lilihain. Alam niyo po, sa sitwasyon ng alam niyo, ewan ko no, pero nang ako'y maliit pang bata, natutunan ko po na ang magkaaway, it takes two.
Amen.
Dahil ang hirap naman yatang kaaway mo sarili mo. No. So it takes two. No? Alam niyo po, doon sa dalawang magkaaway, example, sa dalawang magkaaway, dalawa ang pwedeng role na gampanan nila. Either yung isa ay naging liha at yung isa ay yung magaspang na kailangan naman ding lihain. And so in essence, pareho silang magaspang. You see, brothers and sisters, kaya po tayo nilalagay ng Diyos sa wilderness experience, sa mga sitwasyon ng buhay, sa mga pagkakataon ng buhay. Kasi po, gusto niya tayong maging isang magandang furniture, maging presentable, maging